Hello student, this is Vada from Holy Children Public School and Hostel. Before watching this video, press bell icon, like and subscribe this channel to get more exciting informations. So today I am here to teach you mathematics of class 6th, chapter 7th, that is algebraic expression. Algebraic expression is defined as an expression which is built up from the integer constant variables and the algebraic operations, for example addition, substitution, multiplication and division. Algebraic expression has its own terms. Let's talk about the first one, that is variable, in which we used a symbol, a letter, to determine a unknown quantity, for example xyz. Second term is algebraic expression, in which it contains at least one variable with the numeral value. Okay, let's try the algebraic expression word phrases. For example, 10 more than a number. Okay, here we can suppose a number which is supposed to be n, right? So 10 more than a number, so that we are going to add here 10 with n, right? So we can say n plus 10 for the first one. Second question is a number decreased by 5, right? So that first of all we have to write we have to suppose a number. So here we are taking w, right? W. So we have to decrease 5 from that number that we have supposed to be w. W minus 5 is the expression for that question. Third one is 6 less than a number. Here we are supposing a number that is x, right? So x minus 6, we have to subtract 6 from a number, and that number we have supposed to be x. X minus 6 is the final expression for that question. Fourth one is a number increased by 8, right? So here we are taking the number n. Here we are suppose the number n, and we are going to add 8. So our final expression for this question is n plus 8. Fifth one is the sum of a number and 9. So sum means the addition. So that here we are taking the unknown number n. So we have to add 9 uh, on that number. So n plus 9 is the expression. Last one is the 4 more than a number. 4 more than a number. So here we are taking a number is supposed to be y, right? So y plus 4. 4 more than a number. Y plus 4 is the expression for that question, last question. Let's practice some problems, okay, related to this particular topic. So our first question is evaluate 7y, right? And when y equals to 2, that time our question is 7y. See students, always remember, whenever a variable and a numeral value is given back to back, right? Like 7y, so there is always presence of multiplication. Okay, so what we have to do, we have to multiply 7, multiply at the place of y we have to put 2, right? So how much we will getting? 7 2 ja 14, right? So let's see. Yes, our answer is 14 for the first question. Second question is evaluate 6 minus w. So here we have to take for w equals to 1. So what we have to do, 6 minus w, we have to put the value of w in place of yes, we have to put the value of w in this expression, 6 minus w. So 6 minus w equals to 1, so 6 minus equals to 5, right? Let's see the answer. Yes, the second answer is 5. So we have to deal the question like this.